Hi all, welcome to Helpful Videos channel. Today I would like to tell you about how to get Photoshop tools in Android mobile. First of all, open the Google Play Store and install the Adobe Photoshop Fix app. Open. To enter in this application, you have to create the Adobe ID. So please complete the registration process. It is a free of cost. So once you log in to the app, so this will be the interface of the application. Here these two are the samples you can use for your creative fixes. First of all, I'm taking about this portrait retouch sample. See here, we got all the tools which we get in Adobe Photoshop and mobile Windows application, like adjustments. Here you can adjust the exposure, contrast and shadow highlights. For example, exposure, and if you want to like the highlight something, you can highlight. And liquify, these are the points you do if you want to shape your face to some if you want it in your face or broad your face, or you want to adjust to something like your nose or lips, you can use it here. And another one is healing. I'm sure you're already aware of this. If you want to remove unwanted objects like skin blemishes, you can use this tool. And if you clone the stamp, I'm sure you all know about this, like smoothing, light. If you want to add light to your photo in dark areas like this, if you do that, some light will be added. The same way, coloring is there. If you want to highlight some color like blue, see here I'm drawing here, the color here will be more highlighted comparing to previous. See, I made a click on compare, you can see the difference. So we get almost all the necessary Adobe Photoshop tools in our mobile. I hope you like this video and you'll enjoy, and I believe you will enjoy these tools. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel and share our video if you like it.